Hi guys, Grid Sentry here with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up email alerts for a particular search term of your choice on pastebin.com. I'll put a link to the site in the description, and it really is as simple as putting your email address in and your search term and clicking the send button. And there we have it. You'll have to go into the email address that you registered for that alert and just acknowledge the confirmation, and that's you done. Thanks for watching guys. If you found the video today helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Grid Sentry, over and out.